Over the last year, I've been buying a lot of mirrors, car boot sales mainly. I picked them all up very cheaply, but they all need a little bit of work. The one thing I know I'm going to want to do to them is do some French polishing. So I'm going to mix up a little bit of shellac. I'm going to go for 10 grams of shellac to 50 grams of alcohol. These shellac flakes will take a while to dissolve, so we'll get on with other things in the meantime. So 2 of these mirrors have more traditional frames. They're the ones I'm going to polish. And then 3 other ones have nice bevel edges on backing boards. The backing board's quite ugly though. A couple of ply, one's just a bit of hardboard, and the actual clasps that hold them into place are loose. So we're going to start by sorting those ones out. I'll start by getting all these clasps removed, and then perhaps I'll take the glass outside and give it all a good wash. I really like the look of those bevel edge mirrors I've just washed. I don't really understand why they're on scruffy bits of plywood and even just some hardboard. 2 of which I think I can do something with. The smallest one has got some splits and voids in it. So I think I'm going to cut a new piece out of some thicker material, and it's birch plywood, so it's much better quality. The new bit's going to look better, but I need to do something with these old bits. I think I'm going to start by just giving the edges a sand down. So the edges are ugly. What am I going to do? India ink, I think. The brown furniture just isn't my style particularly. So I'm going to shellac 3 of them and India ink. No, shellac 2 and India ink 3. Now I want to seal these up, so what I'm going to use is some beeswax oil. I'm just going to get that rubbed in and left to dry. Now to get the glass put back on, so I'll start with the one with the new back. These had very little screws on before, so I think I'm going to swap them out to some nice brass ones, make a feature of them. This mirror was hung landscape before. I think these days though, most people would have it portrait, checking their appearance before leaving the house. Well, obviously I don't do that, but other people would. So I'm going to put the chain that way round. There we go, one done with a new back. Now I've got to get the other 2 back on the old backs. That's the 3 with the backs done. Now let's go back to the ones with the wooden frames. Both of these mirrors have problems with how you actually hang them. This has some little eyelets on the side and probably was part of a vanity unit. It would have tilted, but we need to sort that out. And this one has some mirror plates, but they're very loose. So I'm going to get these taken off first. The other frame is in pretty good condition, but this one has a few chips in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is give it a sand down. So this shellac I mixed up is now all dissolved. So I'm going to make myself a little applicator to put it on. And what I have is a microfiber cloth. I have hundreds of these because they come with camera lenses, but you can use some paper towel as well. I'm going to put some cotton wool buds in and make a little applicator, and then I can get the shellac put on. Shellac is easy to work with, but it's time consuming. I might go around this 40 times to build up a nice coat. Got to do that on both mirrors. So both of these mirrors now need a way of hanging them on the wall. Keyhole plates for the other one, we'll come to that next. This one though, what I've got is a nice new chain to go on there. So I'm going to get this put on. This is 1 meter long. I don't think I'm actually going to need to remove any links. There, another one done, just needs a little clean up. Right, last one, let's just get those keyhole plates or mirror plates reinstalled. That's 5 mirrors that I got super cheap, all usable again and looking much better. So now I'm going to get them all packed up and take them to a market and see if we can actually sell them. I'm at an absolutely amazing location today for this fair, Chiswick House, and the sun is out. I'm hoping it's going to be a fantastic day. Well, it's been a good day. The sun's been out, it's been roasting, and I've sold a couple of mirrors. So I'm going to pack up now and then we'll take them to the next market and see if we can get the others done. So thank you for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.